postfix expression using stack data structure. So first initially define a stack and define all the basic operations on stack, that is pushing, popping and viewing the peak element. And in the main program we accept the postfix expression in a form of a string and we are passing it to our function here. So what we basically do is, if it's an operand, that is if it is a number, then we push it into the stack. We go on pushing those numbers into the stack. When we encounter an operator, say plus, minus, multiplication or anything, we pop two elements from the stack. The top two elements are popped and the uh, operation is performed, that is addition or subtraction respectively, and the result is again pushed into the stack. Then at the end, when we process the entire string, there'll be just one element remaining into the stack. Then we take that element, that will be the final result of the expression. We are taking that element and returning it to the main function and printing it there. So here what we do is I run a loop for the entire uh, array here, post of say 20. I have taken 20 characters in my postfix expression. I give the termination condition as post of I because we know that in a string the last element will be a null character, so you can just use post of I whenever it comes to the null character, then the condition terminates and it comes out of the loop. So we'll first check if it's a digit. Is digit post of I? That is, if it's a digit, then I have to push it into the stack. We have to be careful because we have accepted a string, so the digits will be in the form of character, so we have to convert them into integer while pushing them. So you have to subtract the character 0 from that particular character. So I take post of I minus character 0. Make sure you use it in inverted comma and push it into the stack. Now if it's an operator, then it goes to the else condition. That is, if it's not a digit, then it comes to the else condition. I pop two elements, say x1 and x2. I peek them and I am popping them. Then I use a switch condition to go to the particular case, that is at post of I whichever operator I have found, say plus, minus or multiplication. Here we have to perform the operation. Result is equal to x2 plus x1, x2 minus x1 respectively. Be careful about how you're using this. First we pop x1, then we are popping x2, and the result should be in this specific order itself: x2 minus x1, x2 into x1, whatever it is. When we compute the result, say I'm computing x2 minus x1, then I should push this result into the stack again. So I push that result into the stack. So at the end of the loop, when everything is processed, the last element stored in the stack will be just the result. So I peek it and I print it. So let's